Where are we off to? Fit some bull bars and some snorkels, and look at the beautiful morning we have here in Port Moresby. How amazing is this? Hey, Ludi! She's the head of the house Marys, which are like the maids here in Papua New Guinea. Let's go, Sammy. Let's go to Boroko Motors. See you, Luds. Look him. Everything's locked up in, it's like a jail, typical Papua New Guinea. Everyone has security. Everything has steel gates, just in case anyone tries to break in. Another steel gate, access control, and then barbed wire fence and more gates. So let's get in the Fortuner and let's head to Boroko Motors. But before that, Sammy, what do you need? A coffee.
Oh yes, please. Oh, can't even function properly.
He can't function apparently without a coffee, I just realized. So this poor guy has been pestering me all morning. I need a coffee. I need a coffee. I'm like, don't worry, we're going to Duffy Cafe. Let's go. Morning, girls. How's everyone? What's it beeping at? Is it locked? Can you check it? Bro, why isn't it locking? What on earth? Everything's shut.
Mission is on, bro.
Oh man, is it a double tap? It's not like a tank. I'm so used to just one tap. Can you check it again? Because I don't trust this Toyota. Oh, it's locked. Okay, let's go. 10 minutes later, we've closed the Toyota. Tank Asambai, Tank 300 here in Papua New Guinea, Port Moresby. This is the first one I've seen. Someone's done a bit of boom boom here in the front. I'm probably pre-delivery. Oh, interesting. How exciting to see these in my hometown. It's a HEV. This is sick. Let's go and check out the workshop. Let's go. GWM Cannon, Havel H6 over there. With some wheels on it. Are we excited, Sammy, to do some work here in this crazy country?
Let's send it.
Let's send it. Let's go. This guy taking some photos of the Havel H6. Photographer? Yeah. Hey. Scale, scale. You plan making one, huh? Siran lo baksa and test him suspension or? All right. So they've sort of just got a showroom for all their cars they sell, all under one big roof. So you got your Protons, your Nissans, your Mahindras, your Isuzus, your Mitsubishis. Okay, like I have been around China, yeah? I've been all around China and I don't think I remember the Beijing. There you go, interesting. Things you find in Papua New Guinea. All right, so we've made it. We're in Boroko dealership. We're in their workshop and we've got Sammy. We've just been inspecting the Cannon. So now we've gone around their Cannon, had a look at the differences between the Australian models and obviously the Papua New Guinea models. There's definitely some differences. How cool is this? So down here in the engine bay, down the bottom there's no DPF, so in PNG, there's no requirements for DPF. Now also the Cadillac converter, no secondary and no primary and secondary O2 sensors, which means this will be hollow, so that's just a casing, and that's how they come. So we're gonna get our bull bar, fit it up on this Cannon, possibly get a snorkel on today. So we've moved the top cover off, removed all the 10mm bolts on the top of the grille here. Then we've got the car on the hoist. Now we're removing the flare. So undo all the screws and the plastic little trim clips around here. So he's undoing all of those now. We're just gonna mark this with some masking tape, the flare, exactly in line with this line here. Make sure it's nice and straight so we know where to cut later for the bull bar. Pull the inner guard liner out, put your hand inside, and you can actually squeeze and push the clips from behind, okay? So when you're removing these, make sure you stick your hands inside the guard liner, deep inside here, and then you can actually get the white clip inside.
It's not that hard.
Flare's off. Now we're gonna remove this here. So you got 4 screws here we're gonna remove. Phillips. Oh, we only removed the 2, hey?
Yep.
So only 2 screws need to be removed. 1, 2. Okay, so on the Cannon, you need to make sure you remove the camera. Otherwise, you'll rip the camera harness out and it'll break the camera when you're trying to pull the grille and the bar off together. So the easiest way is to get a Phillips screwdriver in behind the camera. There's 2 Phillips on either side and you undo it, okay? And then you can pop your camera out. So Sammy's just gonna undo that now. Sammy's gonna undo the connector up in here.
Now all you do is
so it's really
push it from one end.
Okay, so there's a connector up in here. Now that disconnects all your parking sensors, your fog lights, and everything in the grill, like all your radar and everything. So make sure you plug that back in, otherwise you'll get all the faults when you put it back together. So make sure you connect that main harness and disconnect it. So unfortunately it doesn't disconnect the camera, so you still got to unscrew the camera. Okay, you got to be careful. What I normally do when I pull these, so especially under here, you can break this trim very easily if you don't release all the tabs. So let's go, Sammy. So what I normally do is I lift the bar from the bottom corner, release the pressure up, okay? And then that literally lifts the whole thing off the clips so you don't snap any of this. Obviously it doesn't matter because our bull bar goes up to here, but if you want to sell your bar, you want to keep all the clips. That's released now. Okay, let's go. Do this side. Okay, but you must up him. Yeah, no, rouse him. Okay.
Put your finger down here, bro.
Be careful, yeah. Up him, yeah. Okay, so now we've removed the whole bar, and this is the harness that I was talking about before that needs to be released. So you need to release the tab, and there you go. Off. Let's get the beast bar on. Now we're gonna rouse these. You got 10 mils. Sorry, I'm speaking in pigeon to you guys. Sorry guys. We're gonna remove these. We're gonna remove these and throw them in the bin because the bull bar is gonna come all the way up to here. Now after he's removed that, we're also gonna remove the factory intrusion bar, which is down here, okay? And the way you do that is by removing all these bolts behind it. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep in mind, this is a PNG spec car, so its chassis is actually different to the Australian. It won't be exactly the same, but it's very similar. Another thing that you'll need to remove is you'll need to remove these.
For you, it's just a few minutes. For us, it's been all morning. We took a break for lunch and a little something more.
Sammy, where are we going for lunch?
In a restaurant.
We're going to the Hilton. So we've come to the Hilton. Let's go check out the Hilton Hotel. Hey, how are you doing? Brother Blami, name do you want him? Okay, okay. MC lo Hilton. Okay, catch. We said we're hungry and apparently we've got to go upstairs to the Feast restaurant. So let's go get a feast, Sammy. We got old mate playing a too fancy. Sammy said it's too fancy. Okay, let's go check out the buffet. You got two options. You got the menu or the buffet. This is the buffet at the Hilton in Port Moresby. We got the roast beef with pan juice. What else we got in here? Look at this. Sammy will be into this. Some curry, some fish, bolognese. Oh, that looks pretty good. Oh, I might do a buffet. It looks pretty good. Sammy, you should check out the buffet. They got curry as well. You'll love it. Why are you laughing? Curry for the curry. Let's go. Got my carbonara. What'd you get, Sammy?
More makhani.
Have you had that before?
This one, no.
Oh, let's give it a shot.
Apparently it's butter chicken, so let's see. It tastes like butter chicken.
Let's give it a go. And there's no one better that knows curry as good as Sammy. So let's go.
Looks like the food was missing that original curry kick, so Sammy went full rustic mode to fix it.
All right, so we got 4 hose clamps and one 4.5 drill bit, and it literally costed us 30 bucks Aussie. So, not cheap. Anyway, gotta get the job done, so we're off to Boroko Motors, and we're gonna finish this install on this Cannon. We've done the bull bar, and we're fitting up the snorkel, and we're gonna get a bonnet protector on it, and they're gonna fit some wheels to it. Unfortunately, I wasn't allowed to film in the workshop for unknown reasons, but anyway, it's all done, so I'll show you the after product soon. Let's go. Okay, check it out. We've finished the Cannon. We've got the beast bull bar, hoop bull bar fitted. Got the snorkel fitted up there as well. This is our last series snorkel, and we've got a new model coming out very shortly. You'll see on YouTube. But we've just fitted the beast bar on this GWM Cannon here in Papua New Guinea in Port Moresby. So there's a lot of bars that look copies on the market. However, you'll see they've got an ugly big rhino bit here, big nose, like they look terrible. Like, yeah, they all look good from back here, but when you come to the side, like a nose on any human being, they look massive. They look ugly as. These just fit the car a lot better, snug, because we're the original designers of this bar and a lot of people have just copied us now. So anyway, there's the bar, Boroko Motors, Papua New Guinea. We're supplying them with our Savage gear. There's going to be tank 500 bars, tank 300 bars. Get down to Boroko Motors in Port Moresby and they'll hook you up with some Savage gear. We've finished up at Boroko Motors. We've installed a snorkel. We've installed a bull bar, bonnet protector. We'll come back and do some more stuff with them. So we're in their showroom currently. You're still alive. You made it. This is the showroom. So they got a few GWM banners up and it's a mixed showroom. So there's a whole heap of different cars here. But we've got the Tank 300 HEV in the corner here, so they've got the hybrid variant. There you go, full hybrid drivetrain. It's all the same, pretty much. Look at that, interior is identical, no difference there. All your HEV, so in the orange colour, same as mine. There you go. Anyway, check out the rest of Moresby because we've got the day off now. Let's go, we're finished, Sammy. Let's get out of here and go have some fun. And what do you want to eat?
People.
They don't eat people anymore, man. Catch you later.